Everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison and we're just going to do a very quick charting video for Aleph Zero, which is A0. I've been following this and I'm invested in this as well, so I'm biased towards Aleph Zero. But we can see here, this has been quite interesting since it kind of launched on the 27th of January. It's been quite an interesting pattern of supports and resistances, and it's kind of held true. So it's been quite an interesting patterns of support and resistances. We did have previous support at $1.20. It fell below that and we've now kind of bounced a few times off the 85 cents area. Now where we find ourselves from really kind of the beginning, well, 10th of February, 9th, 10th of February up until now, we're seeing this kind of ascending or descending channel. So now where we find ourselves is in this descending channel just now. So we're at a kind of, not a crucial moment, but this could be a crucial moment if it breaks out from this descending channel, and we'd be looking to go back up again from here. But it's within this descending channel, so normally what you would do, you can see all the touch points here will just come up closer. You can see the touch points here for this descending channel, multiple touch points at the top and multiple touch points at the bottom as well. So this is quite a clearly defined descending channel. Normally what you would do here is kind of trade this. If you're going to trade this, you would short it here around about the $1.07 area because it's reached the top of this channel and it usually would come back down if it was to stay within the same pattern. But what you can do is wait and see if it breaks out of this channel and closes above the channel. It's wicked above it. You can see it's wicked above it a couple of times, but it's not actually broke out of this channel yet. Once it breaks out, that'll be a clear sign to me that this is changing direction and we're going to see an upside after that. At the moment, it's still on the kind of downside just now. You can see these two lines here, the red and the green as well. It crossed to the downside at $1.42 and it's never crossed to the upside again from there. Although looking at it, we can see here, I'll just put this in white. We can see this area, and we'll just come up close. It's nearly crossing over. This is a 7 EMA crossing over the 21 EMA. You don't need to know all this. Usually I just do the supports and resistances, but I like to use the 7 EMA and the 21 EMA as well. So get rid of that. So if this kind of shoots above it and closes above this descending channel, that would be a sign from me that we are changing direction for Aleph Zero over the last couple of weeks because it's been descending. If it stays within that, then I'm afraid, although I'm extremely bullish on this long term, I'm afraid we could in the short term come back down again and we could see it coming back down below this 85 again, or hitting the 85 and bouncing back up again. So there's a couple of different scenarios there. If you're in it, I'll just hold it. Long term, I'll just hold it and just accumulate. So if you want to accumulate more, I would wait until this comes down a wee bit if it doesn't break out. If it does break out, that'll be a sure sign for me that's probably going to change direction. And what usually happens with a breakout, you'll see a breakout kind of shoots up and then it retests this line and then it goes up from there. So that's what the pattern to look out for if it breaks out this descending channel. Otherwise, it might stay in this channel and come back down again. So just be very, very careful, especially coming up to the weekend as well. We don't know what's happening with Bitcoin yet, but Bitcoin, if it has a good weekend, we could see a breakout from here as well. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.